Hey fam, I'm Kyle with Drift HQ.
And I'm Chris with HQ.
Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. Now we're going to be doing the unboxing. Alright guys, here we go. Today we got some Nuke Performance stuff straight out of Sweden. We're going to be doing some unboxing. Chris is going to start with
we got the hose kit here.
all the AN stuff.
Comes with all the pre-cut sections of hose. Everything coming out of this surge tank is the 8AN. Comes with the 90s and the 180s. Everything to go from the surge tank to your fuel pumps, as well as going from your stock gas tank or your lift pump into the surge tank. And you got a little label so you know it's real because it came straight from Sweden.
Okay. Next up on the list, we've got the pump bracket.
Very nice.
Beautiful billet CNC pump bracket.
Pump bracket also has some insulators built into it so your pumps aren't so noisy. Here it came with a mounting bracket that mounts your fuel surge tank as well as your pumps.
And then now for the big one. It's like delivering a child. Here we go.
Yeah. Comes with all the fittings and O-rings and everything you need to seal it up as well. So this is the Nuke Performance fuel surge tank. This is the external surge tank that they offer. It lets you mount it in your trunk or anywhere that's available to put your fuel pumps onto this bracket as well as the surge tank. And lets you put the pump brackets mounted as well so you have everything in one compact assembly. And all the hoses and everything you need to run from the top of your surge tank to your fuel pumps as well as to your stock gas tank. Everything comes included in the kit. So we just finished unboxing our Nuke Performance parts. Stay tuned for the next video to watch us install it on our Track 350Z. If you guys want any Nuke Performance parts or any other fuel components, visit drifthq.com. Thanks for watching.